Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1966 Triumph Tr4A Irs. Signal red, black interior, black top and top boot, 4-speed, 60-spoke painted wire wheels, and chrome luggage rack. So these cars, as of late, have become very desirable. If you're in the market for one, this is a very affordable car considering we would classify this car as a very nice driver. I mean, it looks great from 5 or 10 feet, but you know, it does have some minor cosmetic blemishes and knickknacks. But you know, still a really lovely car you can get in and enjoy and drive and not really spend any money on in the near future. But pretty nice gaps all the way around, good red glossy paint. Take a slow walk around here. Couple little chips here and there. You know, this can be touched up pretty easily just with a brush. Another little chip on the corner there. Great front bumper grille. Bright works pretty nice and tidy. It's got the correct emblems, badges. The quality of the paint's pretty good. So you know, good tire and wheel set, but absolutely stunning coach works by Michelotti. You know, really attractive car. In my opinion, it's the prettiest Triumph out there. But you know, as we go around here, we can see a few little, you know, touch-ups here and there. Coming around the back, really good trunk fit, excellent rear bumper, decent chrome on that luggage rack, which is a desirable option. The cars just look so good with those luggage racks fitted. But you know, as we come around here, you can see another small chip on the wheel arc. Needs a bit of rubber here and there. You can see here it needs a waste seal. Those are like $4. The windshield rubber is the same kind of period, older rubber, and the lower, so you know, a few bits of rubber can be changed out. This is the original windshield glass. It's the original triplex fitted, but you can see here it's got some faint wiper marks, and it's just kind of showing its age at this point. So do another small walk around here. But yeah, this is a 66 4A IRS, really desirable in this market. And this was the only Triumph that was designed by an Italian, and it's just a brilliant shape. I mean, it's just an absolutely gorgeous, striking work of art, in my opinion. Definitely my favorite of all the Triumph range. You know, this and the TR250, it's the same body style. So, but yeah, really good opening and closing gaps all the way around. This car's got a really attractive engine bay. It's just had new seats. We're going to take a look at those now. So this is the original top boot fitted. You can see it's got one little tear going on here, but I would definitely repair that, being the original top boot. And then inside, looks like it's original door panels. It's got the original type of arm bars fitted. The dash is pretty nice overall, but it does need a few easy crack repairs, which a mobile guy can come out and do. We've got a mobile guy that takes care of those items for us. Carpets look good. Seats are vinyl. They've been freshly reupholstered. I believe the 4A got vinyl seats. The 4 had leather, but they were trying to trim costs. So vinyl is correct. But the nice thing about the 4A is that it's got this really lovely traditional wooden dashboard fitted. So like I said, good opening, shutting doors with nice gaps. In the trunk here, we see the original tonneau cover. Pretty decent trunk, could use a little bit of detailing and cleaning. Needs a little bit of paint work on the edges there. So you can see it was just kind of a budget repaint at one point. Twin exhaust system, which is correct. Let's take a look at this car's engine bay. Oh, I keep forgetting we've got a mixture of TR6s and TR4s here, so I keep going to the wrong side of the car for the bonnet pull. There we go. Opens nice and easily. Yes, a really attractive engine compartment that was fully resprayed, along with the painting of the exterior of the car. Really nicely cleaned engine compartment. We're going to be taking this car on a test drive soon, but this is the most tweaked out engine on the 4 cylinders. It's got the best cam. It's got a twin downdraft exhaust system. It's got the HS6 carbs. So this is they just kind of push this to the the most streetable limit, and the 4 engine does get up and go nicely. It's got the improved cooling system. So, but yeah, this car is good value. I would just keep it as a driver. You know, it's not really a candidate for a full restoration because it's just kind of nice and glossy and shiny the way it is. But we'll do this final walk around here. The top on this car is pretty good. It's fitted with that black sport wheel, which is a nice touch. These are the original sun visors fitted. This is an independent rear suspension car, even though it's not fitted with the IRS badge, but it is an IRS car underneath with the IRS chassis. But yeah, if you're in the market and you just want to get into a nice 4A IRS that's not going to break the bank, this is a very nice little car to get into and drive and enjoy in its current condition. Real attractive, glossy in the signal red. So 1966 Triumph Tr4A Irs Convertible, signal red, black interior, black top boot, tonneau cover, 4 speeds, 60 spoke, painted wire wheels, chrome luggage rack fitted, good driver condition car, really glossy, really presentable. But like I said, it's got a few of those small paint blemishes here and there, and could use a little bit of interior, knickknacks, but a totally usable, nice, shiny, presentable Triumph here. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.